In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a newsletter in Wix email marketing from scratch. We'll start right in your Wix dashboard. Head to Setup, then Marketing, and open Email Marketing. Choose the option to reach your audience with branded emails or a similarly worded prompt, and then select Start Email from Scratch. This gives you full control over how your newsletter looks and reads. Inside the email editor, click the main header area and add a clear, catchy headline that tells readers exactly what to expect. Use the Design and Content tabs to dial in your fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment so everything matches your brand style. Take a moment to preview both desktop and mobile layouts. Small spacing tweaks here can make a big difference on phones. If your audience reads right to left, toggle the right to left writing direction. Otherwise, keep it set to left to right. Now add your main content. Drag in text blocks for your message, images to create visual impact, and buttons for your call to action like shop now or read more. Style your primary button so it stands out with strong color contrast against the background and enough padding to feel clickable. Before moving on, test every link, including linked images, to be sure they go to the right place. Next, set your recipients. Go to Add Recipients and select Add Subscribers. You can add individual contacts or choose a saved contact list. If you use segments, target by behavior or attributes such as opened last email or purchased product. Labels are helpful if you organize subscribers by tags. Review the final audience in the contacts or segments view to confirm you're reaching the right people. Open the campaign overview to finalize key details. Write a strong subject line that's clear and benefit-driven, then confirm the from name and from email that will appear in inboxes. If you see an unable to send email campaign notice, click it and resolve any flagged items like missing sender information or legal text. Before you go live, send a test email to an internal address. Check for typos, broken links, and layout consistency on both mobile and desktop. Make sure your logo and branding feel consistent throughout. Edit and resend a test until everything looks polished. When you're happy with it, choose Schedule. Select the date and time that best suits your audience and confirm to save the schedule. Finally, save your work for reuse by selecting Save or